Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to delete profile on Crunchyroll. I opened Crunchyroll the other day and noticed I had few extra profiles I wasn't really using anymore. So I logged into the website and went straight to my profile icon in the top right corner where all account options are stored. Then I click on Search Profile and went into Manage Profiles where you can organize or remove different viewing profiles. And from there, I selected the specific profile I wanted to delete, click the delete option, and confirm it once more when the prompt appeared. And right after that, the profile was completely removed from the account, which honestly makes it pretty easy to clean up unused profiles and keep everything organized without going through any complicated settings or support menus. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.